Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to play Subway Surfers multiplayer with friends. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So there are a few options for you to pretty much technically be playing with your friends. So first thing you're going to have to do is pretty much be on the main screen where you can access these settings. Anyways, you can pretty much access it when you're not playing. So leave. There you go. You can connect your social accounts by Facebook or Google Play Games or Apple Game Center. This lets your high scores and progress in syncs and lets your friends see your progress. This way, you're pretty much competing against them to see who gets the highest scores, and this way it's somewhat like a multiplayer. You can go ahead and look at top rounds to see other people, well, how good they are doing. But anyways, you can also add more friends to your Facebook. You automatically see them on your friends' leaderboard. Weekly hunts and leaderboard challenges will help you play with other people. This way, it's technically you against them. And if you actually do want a spin-off multiplayer game, there is a game called Subway Surfers Tag. It's a separate spin-off game released on Apple Arcade and can be possibly expanded. It offers real-time multiplayer, like modes though, but it's against bots, but possibly players. This requires Apple subscription, Apple Arcade subscription, if you want to go ahead and try it out. But anyways, as of now, Subway Surfers does not have a real-time multiplayer mode where you're pretty much playing with them live, like running with them side by side. However, the options that were just mentioned are technically ways for you to interact and compete with other players, which is the only available option right now. So that's basically how you can play Subway Surfers multiplayer with friends. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.